It's not actually a silent movie.
I
Why don't
know.
you tell us what you see there?
This is like a cicada.
What's his name?
Ziggy.
Yep, my little peanut's not afraid of bugs.
Not even these guys.
Yep, watch out for the stinger.
They do not have stingers and they don't bite.
Are you sure?
Yes.
They just make funny noises, don't they?
Yes.
Later, guys. You teach me to do tricks?
No, I don't think so.
You don't think he'll roll over? Will he fetch a stick?
No. It's not like a dog.
Oh, really?
He's like a fly.
Oh.
But huge, bigger. Compared to a fly, he's like a fly. He's in the fly family.
He's in the fly family, okay. Sweet.
Kind of like a fly. He looks exactly like a fly, except for 2 eyes. Flies have a lot of eyes. Even though they look like 1 eye. They have lots of eyes in them.
You're kind of like the cicada whisperer, aren't you? Yep. She's nature smart. Later, cicada.